Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create this inexpensive DIY Dollar Tree hula hoop wedding centerpiece. You do not want to miss out. Stay tuned and watch how I create this beautiful masterpiece. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and don't forget to share this video with a friend. I am super excited about the giveaway that I will be doing in a few weeks. If you would like to be a participant, please check the description box below. You do not want to miss out to win the Cricut giveaway. Okay guys, so what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to go ahead and remove this wrapping, this wrapping that you see that's around, this wrapping that they use to wrap up the hula hoop. We're gonna go ahead and remove all of this wrapping that you see here. We do not need it because you want, when you're going to spray paint it, you would like for it to look nice and smooth and clean, and you do not want this to basically affect the look of your hula hoop. Okay, once we take off the wrapping, you see this little shaky thing you see that's inside of there. We're gonna go ahead and also remove it as well. You do not want to leave that in there. So now both of your hula hoops, the wrapping is off, and now you can proceed. Once you're ready to spray paint, you can proceed with your spray paint. But make sure before you spray paint, you remove the small little objects that's inside of it. Okay guys, so this is our clipboard. What we're going to go ahead and do, your clipboard is basically going to be the base of your hula hoop centerpiece, okay? So now, how you're going to do this is you're going to take like a butter knife. It doesn't have to be sharp. This butter knife is not sharp. We're going to go ahead and take this top part out to the clipboard, okay? You do not need this part because we only need the surface, so we're going to go ahead and remove this. So it's super easy to remove. How you're going to do it is you're going to take it, you're going to slide the butter knife right underneath it, okay? And then you're just going to pop it right off. That easy. You're going to have your flat, clean surface. And that's what you need for the bottom of your hula hoop centerpiece. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and glue the two of them together. You can choose to remove the sticker if you want to, but you don't have to because it's not going to be shown. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these two together. I'm going to use my wood glue to do that. The reason why I use the two is because I want my surface to be more on the thicker side. I want it to look like a wooden plaque where I have a thicker surface, where that would help my centerpiece, my hula hoop centerpiece, to be, of course, more durable, have more strength, and you can add either fresh flowers or real flowers because you have a strong base, and that will allow you to add whatever weight you want to it because of your base, okay? I also wanted to give you a different option. You could choose to use this regular square wooden plaque instead of using the Dollar Tree clipboard. It will have the same effect. You will still have your strong base just like the clipboard. So that's a great option as well. And it comes in a pack of 5 and it can be purchased from Amazon. I will put the link in the description box below.
Spray paint, like Shelly Wood said, right? I gotta shake it real well. All right. She can move well. Now it's good time. All right.
Remember, I tell you 50 feet back. Yeah, there you go. You're getting better. All right, DIY husband.
What's going on, guys? This is Cater. So on this DIY today, we're gonna do, you know it.
Okay guys, as you can see, my hula hoops, I spray painted. It's all done. It's fully dry. You want to make sure that they both are fully dry. And this spray paint is absolutely amazing. It looks beautiful. I truly really do love this brand of spray paint. I think this brand is a very good brand for spray paint. So there's two spray paint brands that I like, the Design Master and the Rust-Oleum one. I know these are the two ones that I really like. And my board is also spray painted. As you can see, these are the two clipboards that I had glued together, and it's fully spray painted. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and assemble the two hula hoops. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the doodle, and I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my hula hoop. I'm gonna take it apart because I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my hula hoop, and I am going to show you exactly on how I do that. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you guys a small preview on exactly how I'm going to be arranging my pool doodle onto my hula hoop. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab one of my hula hoop. I have my husband holding it for me at the other end because I wanted to kind of quickly show you guys. So I'm gonna take one of my hula hoop. I'm going to measure exactly where I am going to be placing my pool doodle. Okay, so how I'm going to do it, and once I'm done measuring it, okay, I'm going to take like a sharp knife. You got to be very careful, of course, when using the knife. I'm going to take a sharp knife and I'm going to cut where I'm going to, how I'm going to place it. So I'm going to cut one and place it right here on top where you see right here, and I'm going to cut another one, another piece, and place it right here, going on down. Now the reason why I'm using the pool doodle is because I find it to be somewhat easy to add my flowers, because you could also add your artificial flowers to that. So that's another easy way you can actually, that's another easy way you can add your flowers is through those doodles you see right here. I think that's how they call it. I'm not sure. If I'm saying the name incorrectly, please comment in the comment section below if I'm mispronouncing this. But I think it's called doodle or pool doodle. So I'm only going to be doing this for only one of my hula hoops. That's it, okay? So once I'm done cutting it, I am going to give you the exact measurements so that you can do the same, okay? So we're gonna do this process first before we attach our hula hoop onto your square plaques, okay? This one is 15 inches in length. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the doodles onto my hula hoop. So what I did is, just so I can easily slide it and slide out my doodles, I left one of the openings. I'm not gonna use that, I'm not gonna pin down that opening. So I left that opening exposed so I can open and shut it whenever I would like. And if I no longer want the doodles, I can always slide them right on out. So I'm only going to be placing it only on one because the flower is going to cover both. I'm going to take my rectangular clipboard plaque that I created. I'm gonna go ahead and take my hula hoop. I'm going to first hot glue it down first. So you're gonna use your hot glue gun. I'm going to glue it down onto my board first so that I can get that quick first hold before I use my drill, power drill, to drill it in with my nails. Okay? First, make sure you know exactly where you're gonna be placing it. So you want to make sure whatever nail you're using is short, where it doesn't go underneath your board. So it's gonna look a little something like this. See, no nails underneath that. Now it's stable. So now the both are in. So this is how it's going to look. So let me tell you how many inches apart they need to be. They are about 4 inches apart. I end up hot gluing the wooden dowels in between the two hula hoops, but I realized I didn't need it, so I ended up taking it out. Now that we're done doing our flower arrangement, we're gonna take our ribbon. We're going to loop it through your tea light globe, and then we're gonna go ahead and hang it. If you've been watching my channel for some time, you know that I love me some crystals. So you can choose to use a ribbon like this, or you can choose to use crystals. The option is completely up to you. I'm still deciding if I want to use the ribbon or if I want to use the crystals, so just kind of wait and see so you can see the finishing result. You're gonna add to the front, you're gonna add your glows to the front of your hula hoops and to the back of your hula hoops. And then I'm gonna use my hot glue gun to get it to stay the way you see it right now. The beauty about this centerpiece is you have two options. One option is to create the 3D look by using the two hula hoops. The next option is to just create the centerpiece with just one hula hoop, and you are still able to hang your globe as is. You can do as many globes as you like. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the other two. And I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 more to the front. So you want to kind of do it like a high-low position. You do not want all of them to be the same length, so you want to put it in a high-low position. Okay guys, so I'm done putting the globes. First, when you are screwing in your hula hoop, you want to use at least 6 small nails to screw it in. So you're gonna need at least 6 to screw it in.